Are you good?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
He smashed his hand.
It's okay. It's gonna hurt, but you're gonna feel a little better, okay? It's gonna hurt.
Dude, are you good? Bro, maybe you should get off the game, bro. Maybe you should get off and go like bandage it up or something.
Don't give it your hand even more, cause you're gonna break it. Oh, shit.
Yeah, you should probably just get off.
Yeah, get off. Oh, you're doing that now.
I hope you feel better, dude. He left.